Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn on your text magnification on your Android device. So for turning it on, you just need to open settings, and in settings you need to find additional settings. Just go here, and here you scroll down to accessibility, open accessibility, and here you will find just scrolling down, and here you find magnification. So here it is. So here you can see that it's turned off. So you can also turn on two different functions. First is Magnify with triple tap, and just a second variant, for me it's more comfortable, Magnify with button. So here you can see when magnification is turned on, use the accessibility button at the bottom of the screen to quickly magnify. To zoom, tap the accessibility button, then tap anywhere on the screen. Drag two or more fingers to scroll. Pinch two or more fingers to adjust zoom. To zoom temporarily, tap the accessibility button when touch and hold anywhere on the screen. Drag to move around the screen. Lift finger to zoom out. You can't zoom in on the keyboard or navigation bar. So just turn on accessibility, and now you can also see how it works. I will show for you. For example, I will open some here you can see some some info about watch Patek Philippe, and if you want to scroll some text, to zoom some text, magnify some text on this site, you just need to, you see here accessibility button, so just click here. After you click on it, you will see black window around your screen, and just now you just click 2 times and choose place where you want to zoom, and here you can see that it's successfully zoomed. If you want to make it normal, just click back, and so no, it doesn't work. So you just can scroll and view every text you want. If you want to turn it off, just click on accessibility again. So here you can see how it works. So for example, if we open it again, so just open some site and just click on accessibility, and now we choose where we want to make bigger, and if you want to turn it off, just click here and it become in normal mode. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.